Previous class, what we have done, you just have to do nothing. Just look on board silently and clearly look at me, what I'm teaching right now. In the last time I've given you a few questions. Like I have given you this question 63 divided by 9 is equals to 7. Okay, this is the question I have given you. So this is the short method. Okay, if I give you a big number 265 divided by 9. How you are going to do this? Are you going to read the table of 265 9 265 तक 9 10 से 90 तक तो आपको आता है आगे क्या करोगे? Okay, so for this I'm going to today we are going to start long division method. If there is a big number and you don't know the table of that number till that number 9 को आप इतना रीड करो कि 265 आ जाए. You don't know the table of 9 after 90. 9 10 से 90 के आगे आपको आता ही नहीं है. So what you are going to do? Yashmit, sit properly and look properly here. Yeah, look here and do not sleep. So I'm going to teach you today long division method. How to check this कि इसको डिवाइड करने पे क्या आंसर आएगा. ओके ये इसकी टेबल में कब आता है. ओके यू डोंट नो टिल 90 90 तक तो पता है आपको 9 10 से 90 लेकिन 265 वो कब आता है टाइम टेबल में आता भी है या नहीं आता है. ओके सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस बाय लॉन्ग डिविजन मेथड. What is a long division method? For example, example I want to tell you. Long division method is like this. We make a sign like this. Okay, 63 divided by 9 is yours. This 63 will come here inside the this 60. Okay, we don't know what is the answer. Only we know 63 divided by 9. Okay, this 9 is the divisor and divisor will always come outside. Okay, this number is going to come outside. This sign here. And this one should be inside. Now we are going to read the table of 9. 9 की टेबल पढ़ेंगे और ये चेक करेंगे कि 63 कब आता है. 9 1 9, 9 2 16, 9 9 2 18, 9 3 27, 9 4 9, 7 if you will check, 9 7 63 we will write like this. 9 7 63. Okay, now I'm going to subtract it. I will subtract it. Wait. Okay, 63, 3 minus 3 is what? 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So this is the remainder. This is known as remainder. Just wait. Okay. This is known as remainder. Okay, this is remainder. The one number which is divising, this is known as divisor. जो ड्राइव करता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ड्राइवर. The one who drives a car is driver. जैसे जो डिवाइड करता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डिवाइजर. Divisor. This number is dividing. This number is dividing. That's why it is known as divisor. And the number which is inside this number, this is known as dividend. Beta make this is very important lecture. This is known as dividend. If you want to see, if you don't know what is going on, you may see the recording also afterwards. Again, once again. Okay. Okay. अगर समझ में एक बार में नहीं आता तो recording भी देख लेना इस वाले की क्लास की. And the number which is the answer, right? I told you answer of multiplication, answer of plus addition is known as sum. Answer of minus is known as difference. Answer of multiply is known as product. ऐसे ही answer of divide is known as quotient. Answer of dividend is answer of divide is known as quotient. Agrita, you can watch the recordings again. Okay, answer is known as quotient. Answer of division is known as quotient. Okay, now this was the easy question. Okay, once nobody will send me the answer, just let me see. Okay. One more question which we have done in yesterday. 99 divided by 11 if it is given to us. How we are going to write it? Everyone just write it and show me here only, not on WhatsApp, show me here only. How are you going to write it? इसको अगर लॉन्ग डिविजन में लिखना है, how will you write it in long division? Show me into write in your notebooks. Write in your notebook and show me on the screen itself. Palvini, you are going to also going to do it. Don't sit idle. Everyone is going to do it. Camera is on. Everyone, I'm looking at you. In long division method, see, 99 is given to us. We'll just put a 99 here. I told you, dividend should be inside. This is the dividend, it should be inside. Okay, 11 is here. 11 will be here. Okay, 11 nines are 99. 11 nines are 99. You subtract it and you will get 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Okay, most of you have done in this way. Very good, all of you. But most of you are not doing it. Some of you are not able to do this one. Okay, you have to do it in the same way. Okay, this is the long division method. This is known as long division method. So in long division method, what we used to write? We used to write dividend, the number to be divided here. Now take out your maths notebook, fair notebook. Take out your maths fair notebook. Maths fair notebook. On a new page, write this, what I'm writing. Take out a new page in your maths fair notebook. Make this, make like this. Maths fair notebook. New page. New page. Okay, maths pair notebook, new page pe you have to write long division. Write the heading long division. Write long division. Okay, wait a minute, इसको भी लिखना है, but wait. What I'm writing, write in your maths fair notebook. Right, make the heading long division. Heading लिखना है long division. Okay, write this. Dividend. Spelling of dividend should be correct. D-E-N-D. Dividend. Nobody will write dividend. It's not dividend. It's D-E-N-D. Dent. Divided by divisor. Is equals to how much? Is equals to quotient. 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 So you are going to make it like this. Here you will write dividend. So many latecomers are there. This will be dividend. Here it will be divisor. And here it will be quotient. Here either you write quotient here or you here. Both are correct. Quotient बेटा यहाँ पर भी लिखा जाता है, यहाँ पर भी लिखा जाता है. You can write quotient anywhere. Quotient. And at the last you will write remainder here. Like this you have to write it on a whole blank page. आराम से लिखो एक blank page. But the spelling should be correct. बेटा क्वोशेंट जो है शौर्य त्यागी यहाँ पर भी लिखा जाता है और यहाँ पर भी लिखा जाता है. डजंट मैटर. Okay. So we are going to start now some difficult questions. Not easy that test I have given to you. Okay. How to do the division by long division method. Suppose you can solve the easy questions, but how to solve like uh, 35 divided by 2. Do not write anything. Do not write anything. Do not write anything, everyone. Just look on the board. 35 divided by 2. You have to divide 35 by 2. Or I can say 95 by 2. You have to divide 95, 94. Sorry. 94 you have to divide by 2. How will you find it out? See here. You are going to make a long division method like this. This is the dividend. Dividend should be placed inside it. Dividend को अंदर रखेंगे. Divide हम करें 2 से. 2 will be outside. Okay. Now divide 2. We will see the first number only, not the second one. We will find the next number. We will see only the first number. First number is what? Yes. First number is 9. So we read the table of 4. हम 4 की टेबल पढ़ेंगे. 4 की टेबल में 9 या उससे छोटा नंबर कब आता है? Sorry, 2 की टेबल पढ़ेंगे. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10 आता है, but 9 तो नहीं आया. 2 4s are 8. देखो, you can check. 2 5s are 10 आया and 2 4s are 8 आया. तो 9 कहाँ रहे? दोनों के बीच आएगा. So if it is coming in between them, so we will take this one, the smaller one. जिसके बीच में आता होता है ये नंबर, तो बिगर वन नहीं लेते हैं, स्मॉलर वन लेते हैं. सो क्या करेंगे इसमें? 2 4s are 8 लेना है. ओके, अब क्या करेंगे? 2 4s are 4 we will write here. 2 4s are कितना होता है? 2 4s are 8 होता है. तो उसे हम 9 के नीचे लिखेंगे 8. 2 4s are 8. We will put it in under 9. And now we will subtract it. उसके बाद subtract करना कंपलसरी है. 2 4s are 8 होता है. तो 9 minus 8 we will do. We will get 1. अब ये जो 4 बचा था, इस 4 को we will copy down. 4 को we will copy down. अब 2 की टेबल में 14 कब आता है? If you read the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14 आता है. So we will subtract it, and 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0. So this is the number. What the quotient is? What we have to find out quotient. So we will write here quotient is equals to how much? 47. Q is equals to quotient के लिए we will write short form Q. Q 47 and remainder. The last number here, it is known as remainder, and remainder is coming 00. A single zero also you can write. Okay. This is the way to do long division method. Now first of all, take out your rough copies, everyone. Take out your rough copies, not pair one. First of all, I want all of you to start doing this. Start practicing it. Then I'll ask you to do some big questions. We are giving you some questions. Now let me see who will do it first and how you are going to do it. Okay, the question is 64 divided by 4. This is the first question. I'm giving you 4 questions in rough. You have to do this in rough. Solve these questions in rough. I'm going to give you 4 questions. Solve it in rough and send the work to me. I'm going to check it how many of you are able to do it correct. First question. Different type of questions are there. 77 divided by 77 is 78 divided by 3. Okay, third one 96 divided by 4. Fourth one is 8, 9, 7, 7. Solve these 4 questions in rough. Solve these questions in rough. These 4 questions in rough, and send the work to me on WhatsApp. Quick. I am giving you, before this period finish, I want all the answers. Before this period gets over, I want all the answers. Okay, the period will get over at 11:25. You have 10 minutes to do this question, as well as send it to me. All those who are present over here, I have a list of those students, those who are present over here, and I want their answers. I just click the picture of all those who are present over here. Quickly do it and send it to me on WhatsApp. We will discuss the answers in the next last period. Today we are also having the last period. So we'll discuss the answers in that period. Send it to me. I will see. Okay, and I'll tell you the mistakes in the last period. We'll discuss the answers in the last period. So meeting is, I think it's going to be over.
Ma'am, please.
Wait.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
everyone.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Everyone. See, we'll see the answers in the last period, okay? Send your answers. I want all the answers, all those who are present over here. And I want all of you to
Bye, ma'am.
the last period. It is very important topic. Very, very important topic.